Well, for the very latest on this story, let's bring in Sreya Banerjee in Delhi. Sreya, what more did the court have to say today?
So, as you said, the court has acquitted all those who were accused in that case. 49 people total were accused. 17 of them have died in the 28 years since the case has been going on. Veteran BJP leaders, including LK Advani, Murli Manohar Joshi, and Uma Bharti, who was previously a minister in the previous BJP government, were all accused of a conspiracy to bring down this mosque. The decision comes almost a year after another historic decision. Last year, the Supreme Court awarded this disputed site to the Hindus. It was a historic moment in India. There have been several commissions, several inquiries, particularly one that was a 17-year-long inquiry that in 2009 submitted a report that said that this demolition had been meticulously planned. Even the Central Bureau of Investigation, which is India's federal investigative agency, had consistently held that this was a pre-planned event. And even the Supreme Court, when it was handing down its decision last year, said that this act was in a serious violation of law. But today, the special court has gone against all of that and said that this was, in fact, a spontaneous act. There was no evidence to show that it was pre-planned, that it was acted upon there was a spur of the moment act, and that the CBI had failed to bring enough evidence against those they had accused.
Sreya, is this decision particularly surprising given the current climate and the current administration in India?
No, it perhaps isn't. It's ever since Narendra Modi-led Hindu nationalist BJP came to power in 2014, the Hindu first rhetoric has been gaining ground. Hindu majoritarianism has been gaining ground. And there has been an increase in social division, social and religious division. Experts and political commentators believe that the secularism that is an inherent part of the Indian constitution has been is sort of being worn away. Violence against minorities have been increasing, and even the top court, as I mentioned earlier, has awarded this disputed land to the Hindus last year. And it must be mentioned here today that even before the December 1992 incident, BJP leaders had been leading marches calling for the construction of a temple at this very site. And one of the main leaders who has been accused today, one of the accused who was acquitted today, LK Advani, was very much at the forefront of this movement. And experts believe that this is what put the BJP firmly on the political map. And it was a crucial moment for the right wing in India. And the belief is widespread also amongst the supporters of the Hindu nationalist BJP government that there was nothing wrong with what happened that day. And in fact, a religious wrong had been corrected. So that is a widespread feeling amongst Hindus and many supporters of the party. So given the context, the result probably was expected.
Sreya, thank you for that. Sreya Banerjee reporting for us from Delhi.